All right, y'all, this is it. Last day, last night. They're shutting down, and then this will be demolished at one point pretty soon.
I hear that the Hotel Tropicana is quite comfortable.
Good evening.
Ooh, they don't make films like this anymore. That's James Bond in the film Diamonds Are Forever, 1971, and many of the scenes were filmed at Tropicana. Tropicana's grand opening was April 4th, 1957, and it cost $15 million, which at the time was the most expensive Vegas build. A bunch of A-list celebrities showed up for the grand opening, and the most interesting one is this. Right in the middle, that's Eddie Fisher. To our right, that's Debbie Reynolds. And of course, that's the incredible, the beautiful Elizabeth Taylor. Hey man, what's so interesting about that? Oh, well, check it out. At the time of this picture at the grand opening, Eddie Fisher, I don't know what he's about, but he's about something because he's pictured with his then wife, Debbie Reynolds, and his future wife, Elizabeth Taylor. What the hell? Oh yeah, but who are these people? Well, Eddie Fisher and Debbie Reynolds did the wild thing, and Debbie gave birth to Princess Carrie Fisher. Oh wow! Amazing story, but hey man, can you show us the fireworks already?
public viewing area. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh wow.
Here's the back tower.
That was
Bro,
incredible.
that's fucking sick.
Yeah, that was sick.
Back tower's still standing.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't,
No,
dude, that sounded like a front tower. Nope, front tower's going first. Here we go. Nope. Dude, what is it? This show is crazy. Woo! Long live Tropicana! We're not lucky that we're not downwind.
That's crazy.
Wow.
That is incredible.
I've seen
That-
at
guys,
least
that trip-
3 or
this
4
trip was-
demolitions.
wow,
and
incredible.
Like in person, we're growing up out here.
That's
That
A's.
was
Shout out
definitely
to
the
Jose
craziest one. With the
Canseco,
drones, like what the fuck?
Mark McGuire, Walt Wise, Dennis
Oh,
Eckersley.
that's awesome.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. That was incredibly nice of them to squeeze me in there.
Thank you, gentlemen, for such a sterling service.
Thank you very much.
All right, hopefully you enjoyed this one. Thank you for watching, and please come again. Bye-bye.